Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete messages on Chai. In order to do so, here we are in Chai for Android. And what we're looking for is down here at the bottom, we want to select the messages icon. And then here you're going to see all of your messages listed. Now, with Chai, you can't delete specific messages. The only thing that you can do is delete entire chats. In order to do that, what you need to do is select the chat that you want to delete, and you have to swipe to the left, and there you go. Now you can see the option to delete. So all you have to do is click on that and then confirm. And there you have it. You have deleted your messages on Chai. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.